Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by building the base. Scoop 115 Oz can of refried beans into a bowl and add 1/2 cup sour cream and 1/2 cup mayo. Use a whisk to break up lumps so the mixture becomes smooth. This creates the creamy texture Frito Lay uses. Once combined, fold in 1 tablespoon taco seasoning and 1/4 cup diced onion plus 1/4 cup salsa to balance salt and acidity. Make sure everything is Now you build complexity. Fold in 1 cup shredded cheddar or a Mexican blend so every bite has cheese. Once the cheese is mixed, stir in 1/2 cup corn or rinsed black beans to add sweetness and texture. This mirrors the layered mouthfeel of the original. Taste the dip. If it's flat, add a squeeze of lime or a dash of hot sauce for brightness and adjust salt carefully. Make sure you mix gently to keep the beans intact while distributing flavor. To finish, cover the dip and chill 1 to 2 hours so flavors meld. Chilling firms texture and deepens spice notes. Before serving, sprinkle extra cheese and cilantro and place with Frito chips or veggies. If you prefer warm, reheat gently in a microwave in 20-second bursts, stirring between. If the dip is too thick, thin with 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or lime juice. If it tastes bland, add salt or a touch more taco seasoning to rescue it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.